I'm sure that you've seen or maybe faced a similar problem when growing giant peony bushes and noticing that sometimes it doesn't bloom at all or it blooms very poorly with just a few flowers in the entire bush. This is perhaps the most common complaint that seemingly healthy peony plants refuse to fully bloom. And just by pressing a couple buttons on the internet, you will immediately find a stack of monotonous tips on different websites similar to one another as if they were reprinted. And of course, from a list of recommendations, the first number is a categorical recommendation that suggests you plant a replacement flower bud or peony eyes to a depth of no deeper than 5 centimeters. The standard explanation can be fine for beginners, but I also know that when planted correctly, peonies very often do not bloom. Also, it is known that the pieces of roots remaining in the ground after transplanting a peony at a depth of even 30 to 40 centimeters can regrow again and form a bush and bloom on their own after 2 years. And sometimes properly buried buds can be on the surface when the soil is washed out or eroded and require hilling and adding soil. So in short, the plant can choose a comfortable position for optimal growth and flowering even on its own. Secondly, you will find that you need to plant only in an open full sun area, and then the flowering will be lush, but that's not always true. Peonies love afternoon shade for a couple of hours, and besides, the flower blooms last longer on the bush and they do not fall off so quickly during hot days. But I absolutely agree that the shadow and partial shade for peonies does not fit all. There will be no flowers. The rest of the recommendations regarding fertilizer, leaf pruning time, and faded buds removal are just details, and they're very relative. And these recommendations should be applied taking into account the characteristics of your climate zone, the acidity of your soil, and the soil structure. So what is the secret of lush flowering of peonies, and why do peony bushes that are properly planted and deepened by 5 centimeters in the presence of open sun for at least 5 hours a day, in many cases bloom very poorly? In order to understand this, we need to take a look at the unique structure of the peony root. Peony roots are truly unique, both in the way that it grows and in its strong medicinal properties. The peony root consists of a bundle of thick nutrient-storing roots that can reach almost a meter in length, so that total diameter of the old peony root can be up to 2 meters. Therefore, no matter how hard we try to carefully dig up a bush of an old peony, we always see chopped off pieces of roots. Another feature is that the suction roots are located along the edges of the storage roots, but in the center of the peony bush, or the crown part, there are a few or no suction roots at all, and the whole scheme looks something like this. This explains why the peony takes a whole year after transplantation to resume flowering, because cut, damaged edges of storage roots have to regrow suction roots. New flower buds or peony eyes are formed around the center of the storage roots that are located or grow close to the surface at around a depth of approximately 5 to 10 centimeters. And in this way, the peony bush grows, it spreads, and it blooms. Watching peony bushes for a long time, I noticed that after very dry years, peonies bloom mostly poorly, and I've come to the conclusion that it was the lack of moisture and, accordingly, nutrition in the previous years that led to poor flowering in the next. Knowing the structural features of the peony root, I began to correct my mistakes. Firstly, planting a young peony is undoubtedly an important point, and to do this, I dig a hole around 50 centimeters wide and about 40 centimeters deep. At the bottom of the hole, I put large flat stones or pieces of bricks or even broken up pieces of asphalt. You probably think that I'm doing this to improve soil drainage. Sand or gravel alone would just be enough for soil drainage, but my goal here is different. I want the large peony storage roots to grow in a horizontal position and not in a vertical position, not more deep into the soil. Because only in a shallow position do the peony roots begin to produce new flowering buds or eyes. The main reason for this is that peony roots don't want to grow to the sides, and they bloom very poorly because storage roots, they grow in depth. And they do this because there is insufficient moisture, so they go deeper into the soil to find water and nutrients. And this is why peonies bloom worse after dry years. Large flat stones will make sure that your peony bushes don't grow deeper into the ground. I'm going to cover them on top with a decorative mesh as well that can last in the ground for years and it won't deteriorate. But when doing it, of course, I must remember about sufficient watering, and I also must remember that suction roots of the peony will be located in a circle around as they grow. Normally, I won't water the peony in the very center of the bush, but instead I'll dig a small groove around the bush, somewhere at a distance of a half a meter from the external stem, and I will water soaking the ground in this particular place. For a large peony bush in the summer, if there is no rain, 2 to 3 buckets of water per week may be required. I collect rainwater, as I've noticed that peonies don't really like tap water, but if there's no rain or lake water that can be used, just use tap water. The result, as a rule, can already be seen immediately the next year after planting. If my bush has grown very much, then it can be divided and propagated, and this should be done best in August, September, because the flowering buds or peony eyes for the next year have already formed by that month, and before the cold weather comes, there is still enough time for the formation of suction roots. So with such planting, in many cases, the peony blooms in the spring of next year. Otherwise, of course, the peony plant will not die, but it may take a whole year for its adaptation and blooming to resume. Peonies practically do not require much care, and if everything is done correctly, they will delight with luxurious flowering for many years to come.